Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. In this video, we are going to discuss previous year questions from Securities Contract Regulation Act. This is a phase 2 topic, earlier was present in both the phases. Starting with first question, an act to prevent undesirable transaction in securities by regulating the business of dealing therein. This statement belongs to which of the following? This is the preamble of SCRA Act, Securities Contract Regulation, which is an act to prevent undesirable transactions in securities. Question number 2. The condition which the central government may prescribe for the grant of recognition to the stock exchange may include. The correct answer is E, all of the above. All of these conditions can be prescribed by the central government. This is given under section number 4, subsection 2 of Securities Contract Regulation Act. Question 3. No person in the state or area specified in the notification shall, save with the permission of dash, enter into any contract for the sale or purchase of any securities specified in the notification, except to the extent and in the manner, if any, specified therein. The correct answer here is B, central government. So previous permission of central government is required in order to enter into any contract for the sale or purchase of any security which is specified in the notification. This is given under section number 16 of Securities Contract Regulation Act. Question number 4. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, contracts and derivatives shall be legal and valid if such contracts. The correct answer here is B. They are traded on a recognized stock exchange and settled on the clearing house of recognized stock exchange in accordance with the rules and bylaws of such stock exchange. This is given under section number 18A of Securities Contract Regulation Act. Question 5. Any stock exchange which is desirous of being recognized for the purpose of this act may make an application in the prescribed manner to. The correct answer here is C, central government. This is given under section number 3 of SCRA. But in Securities Contract Regulation, the recognition to stock exchange is granted by Securities and Exchange Board of India. Central government has delegated this part to the stock exchange. So if a question comes as per SCRA, who will grant recognition, then the answer should be central government. If, however, the question is who will grant recognition to the stock exchange, it is not asked under which act or regulation, then the correct answer should be Securities and Exchange Board of India. Moving to question 6. Which of the following is not included in the definition of securities under SCRA? Correct answer is unit-linked insurance policies. This is option number E. This is given in exceptions in the definition in SCRA. Definition of securities is very important, so go through it thoroughly. The definition of securities has come twice in different years. So these are all the areas from which questions have come from Securities Contract Regulation Act. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. iExamB helps you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.